Hello everyone, how are you all? I think you all are well. We are studying here English literatures, and in previous video we have already discussed studied about the summary of our chapter quality that is written by John Glassworthy, and in this video we will discuss about the themes of this chapter quality. So let us start. In this story, quality written by John Glassworthy, themes are commitment, determination, loyalty, honesty, dedication, and loss. Narrated in the first person by an unnamed man, the reader realizes after reading the story that Glassworthy may be exploring the themes of commitment for the entire duration of the story. Mr. Gessler spent all his time in his shoe shop. Gessler spent all his time in his shoe shop. At no stage does Glassworthy takes Mr. Gessler from the shop. This may be important. Gessler from the shop. This may be important as Glassworthy may be using the setting of the story to highlight to the reader the commitment that Mr. Gessler has when it comes to making books. He appears to spread all his time working, something that becomes clear to the readers towards the end of the story when the young man tells the narrator that all Mr. Gessler did was make books. The young man, considering that Mr. Gessler was so committed to his job that he even went as far as forgetting to eat. Mr. Gessler's commitment to his work is important because, in his eyes, he considers himself to be an artist. He devotes all his energies to his work just as an artist would. He also strives to make the best books possible just as an artist would attempt to make the best pieces of art that they could. It is also interesting that the narrator buys all his books with the exceptions of one pair from Mr. Gessler and that the one pair that was not purchased from the Mr. Gessler ends up causing problem for the narrator. This could be important as Glassworthy could be highlighting the facts that Mr. Gessler books are the best and the narrator is all the while customer. It might also be important that when the narrator tells Mr. Gessler about the pair of boots that do not fit him well, boots Mr. Gessler makes every effort to rectify the matter. This would suggest not only is Mr. Gessler looking after his customers, but that he is honest too, where many would say many would say there is nothing wrong with the birds. Mr. doesn't. He is prepared to admit them that maybe boots need fixing. He is allowing the narrator to politely question his craftsmanship. Not allow, but Mr. Gessler is not like other craftsmen. Not only he is committed and dedicated to his work, but he is also prepared to fix things that may not be right, putting the customers first. It might also be important that Mr. Gessler, despite the loss of his brother, continues to work. It is as through the most important things in Mr. Gessler's life is to make books that are comfortable and long lasting for people, something that would further play on the themes of commitment. Mr. Gessler does not appear to mourn the loss of his brother, which may leave some readers to suggest that not only is Mr. Gessler committed to his work, but he is also driven, despite the fact that the bigger shops are taking his business away. Mr. Gessler does not give up. He continues to work to the best work and he is determined to do the best that he can for his customer. Though some critics might suggest that Mr. Gessler is better off selling his bigger shops, it is Mr. Gessler is not driven by money. What drives Mr. Gessler is his strong desire and to make the best boat possible. Through he needs money to live, parent, and buy leathers for the shop. Money is not only Money is only secondary to Mr. Gessler. His primary goal is to satisfy the customer with the best possible boots that can be made. The end of the story is also interesting as there is a sense of loss. When the narrator discovers that Mr. Gessler has died through the exact cause of death is unknown, what is really striking is that Mr. Gessler worked right up the times of his death, which would further highlight to the reader just he was most likely losing main money due to the bigger shops. Mr. Gessler never gave up. He lived his life as an artist, or committed to his work. Every pair of boots that Mr. Gessler made bear for him a piece of art, something that many critics will find hard to dispute even through times changed. Mr. Gessler and his methods didn't. He knew from looking at a boot whether he had made it or not. The reader sensing that each boots for Mr. Gessler was his way of continuing to society. He wanted his customer to be not only happy with his boots but to be also able to comfortable wearing them. Mr. Gessler cared about his work and wanted to make a quality boots, unlike the bigger shops in whereby profit was and in the main goal. So it is our themes of this chapter's quality. In next point we will discuss about it may be about writers or it may be question answer. So thank you, have a nice day.